Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Discord on desktop and phone, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your computer and launch your preferred web browser.
In the address bar, type in discord.com and press enter. On the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click the login button to proceed. You'll see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. After filling in both fields, click the login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field and click verify. You are now logged into Discord on your desktop. To log in on your phone, open the Discord app. If you haven't installed the app, go to your phone's app store. Search for Discord and install the free app. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll see a login screen with fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Tap the login button to proceed. If prompted, enter your two-factor authentication code if you have it activated. Once verified, you will be logged into Discord on your phone. Now you're ready to start connecting with your friends on both desktop and mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.